I'm on my way to meet a friend who's a born and bred local Suzhou resident, and he's promised to show me a different side to the city. What are you doing? Hey.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm here using this LiDAR scan to capture the traditional pagoda.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out whether you were like trying to interview the pagoda or trying to cast a spell on it. So this is a LiDAR.
Yeah, LiDAR.
After mapping the pagoda with his high-tech laser, Xiaoting's taking me on a tour around Old Town to capture some more priceless relics.
Wow, that's so intricate.
Where the LiDAR won't reach, he uses a camera to take photos of the object from every angle. And if the relic is too big, then a drone will do. Xiaoting takes thousands of photos, literally, which are later stitched together by AI, working modern magic on ancient marvels.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh man, that is incredible.
Yeah.
And if you zoom in, you can see all of the little details.
Yeah, you can
so
see the
cool.
bricks.
That's amazing.
Yeah. And here's the North Temple Pagoda.
You know, it's interesting because in person, it's so big and we're looking up at it. And it's hard to see all of it. There is some distance. It's quite immense. And now it just feels like it's God's eye view. Like this is a toy now.
I have put the 3D models at the VR glasses.
No way.
And it's very mind-blowing.
Oh my gosh, yeah, of course.
You can imagine that you're Godzilla.
Wow.
You just, you look down to the city and wow, I'm the king of this city.
I look forward to you bringing out your VR headset next time. I would love to experience that.
The detail is staggering, and the possibilities endless. Xiaoting's found a way to turn his passion for preservation into future-proofing heritage.
Suzhou has two faces, I think. The traditional and the peaceful one, and the modern and energetic one. And AI is like a bridge between them, make the traditional city's face and its beauty to the modern people around the world.
You're going to put me out of a job. Who needs a travel presenter when you could just go online and look at everything?
Yeah.